We're now joined by Padma Shri Vikramjit Sahni, who is chairman of the Sun Foundation and the international president of the World Punjabi Organization. He's been associated with DSGMC in his seva. He's been contributing from day one. He is the main force behind this Langar Seva. Thank you so much for being with us, for being a part of this. We've been discussing the incredible job of the Sikh community and their work during the pandemic. Tell us, from your perspective, what is it like to do such selfless work with such humility? What does it feel like in your heart, your mind, your soul?
Yes. Thanks, Vishnuji. I think seva in Sikh ethos and Sikh religion is selfless service, which is very supreme in Sikhism. When you think of seva, the moment you enter into a Gurdwara, you will see it starts with even cleaning of your shoes by the devotees, by the Sangat of the visitors who are coming there, service of Amrit. Then there are different type of car sevas, what we call the building of Gurdwaras, the cleaning of sarovars, and above all is the community kitchen, which is Langar Seva, where the tradition is to cook, then to serve, and then to wash the dishes also. So there's a complete value chain of serving the food, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion, or rich or poor, because everybody have to sit on the floor and have the holy food. Mukat Pugat Jugat Teri Seva, Jis Tu Aap Karai, is Ankit in the Gurbani. It shows the humility and compassion. So I think it is an unparalleled kind of thing, which Guru Nanak Dev Ji had laid the foundation when he was given 20 rupees, a meager sum of 20 rupees to do some merchandise, but he fed the hungry sadhus. I think this selfless service is is somehow in the DNA of Sikhs. As recently Dr. Roy was mentioning that, and Mr. Gujral, that despite whatever happened, like the Delhi riots of '84, I think the community has bounced back. Nothing could shatter, because it is in the Punjabi community, I would say, in the broader sense, it is in their DNA to somehow help when any calamity comes, whether it is earthquake, floods. It is tan, man, dhan, and as our Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, work hard, share your gains with others, and worship God. So I think this is the underlying ethos of the selfless service which Sikhs are doing, from their heart. Dil se seva.
So it's selfless and even brave, because at a time like this, everybody's so worried about getting the virus, but they've been right there in the forefront, and you've done a lot of work even for frontline workers, doctors, nurses, not only feeding them, housing them. I mean, it's just been, you've set an example for all of us to follow and watch in admiration.
So thank you. Because it is in our religion, Gurbani says, Awwal Allah Noor Upaya, Kudrat de sab bande, ek noor te sab jag upjaya, kaun bhale ko mande. Every human being is a manifestation of God. And as far as Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee is concerned, I think it is this fact, this imbibing Gurbani into their daily lives, that since 23rd of March, when we were associated, when DSGMC started by providing free food, langar, to millions of poor, which included, I've seen migrant labor, BPL families, destitutes. And I take this opportunity while thanking NDTV for propagating and bringing this message to in masse, to bow my heads before the ragis, the pathis, the granthis, the cooks, and of course the president, the office bearers of DSGMC, who were constantly there when most of us were confined to our homes. They were out there cooking, serving, without fearing, the corona, and fighting and helping the front line and hosting the corona warriors in the Gurdwara Bangla Sahib Sarau. So it's a great kind of exemplary service done by Gurdwara Bangla Sahib and the entire management of DSGMC.
शानी जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए और अपने विचार सामने रखने के लिए।